All right, well, welcome back to Prestige Dyno Room. Something slightly different. We've done videos like this before, but keep this short and sweet. Basically, a customer called us. They see that we do a lot of 8-stack fuel injection, and they wanted us to dyno test this. So, of course, we went ahead and scheduled it in to dyno it. Obviously, the dyno for us is for production, for all of our own crate engines. And if you call us about a package, even if it's just a long block and you had your own EFI or carburetor, we encourage you to send it so we can run the engine. Now, the reason for that is, just like this customer, you know, he put it together, I believe, himself, and this isn't to knock on the customer's abilities or anything, it's just pointing out why we test them. So, as you can see down in the tray, we got a bunch of oil, it's leaking out of the front seal. Everything's brand new, but that doesn't mean that it couldn't leak or potentially have an issue. So again, that's the reason we test them. And in this case, you know, we give the customer the option, hey, do you want us to fix it and rerun it, verify that it doesn't leak, or you can handle it yourself. Prior to even starting the engine, we start filling it with water, and the core plug in the back of the block is puking water out of it. So obviously we had to pull it back off the dyno, knock some new core plugs in it, and then go back to stage one of putting it on the dyno. So, you know, the core plug leaked, the front seal leaked, and then on the valve cover you see a bunch of oil. It's got some blow-by, whether that's, you know, ring seal issue due to maybe the quality of the hone job, maybe the type of ring they're using. So again, I guess the emphasis is that this is why we test them, and this is really why you want to choose a good engine builder when you're choosing somebody to build you a package, and that they actually dyno test them with a load on. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.